Hello YouTube family, welcome to this video. My name is Ebube from Correct Homes and Properties, and as you know, all I do is drive around the city of Lagos bringing you juicy and affordable properties that can turn you into a landlord today, and not just today. Properties that you can earn extra income from, incomes like rental incomes and short-let incomes all around Lagos. So this is what I do, and this is the value that I bring you here. And I've gotten a lot of feedback from my clients who like this type of video where I start from the road and I drive down to the property. It helps them get a feel of how they are going to be driving if they are going to their property. And the reason why I started videos like this is that I was at a property one time when a client came from the diaspora, and you could see on his face that even if he had bought the property and there was nothing he could do about it, he was not happy because of where the property is located and how he had to get to the property. The other person, the realtor that sold this property to him, was trying to present him some, some cakes, some things like that, just to congratulations for buying from us. But you could see on the client's face that he was not having it. He was not really happy because, of course, the road to the property is covered by bush. That's the truth. And sometimes a lot of people take property videos in Lagos, don't show you that. They just go to that beautifully property built inside the bush and they advertise the property as is. But from here, you will see, in order for me not to be that kind of a person, because the first thing about me is honesty. I believe honesty is very important in life, not only in this kind of business. So I take it from the road. If you like it, you buy it. If you don't like it, you move on. God is our source. So here we are at the Oak Cube Court, and this is a unit of terraces, 10 in all, 10 units of 4-bedroom terrace. Can you see the architecture? Do you think it's beautiful? I think this house is, from the outside, very beautiful, well built house, solidly built house. Materials for building this house were not minimized. They were not minimized at all. And from here you could see that this is a very well built house. So from the external features, it comes with a swimming pool that comes with a standby generator that is ready to supply power for at least 18 hours. 18 hours of the day. But if NEPA give us light more than 18 hours, our gen will be resting. But anytime the light goes out, our gen comes on. The water is already treated. The truth about this property is that you're not bringing anything external into it. The water is already treated. It has 18 hours power, 2 standby generator. Yes, I know that it's only one that is in that gen house right now, but we are bringing another one to complement this one, which will be 2 standby generators. The waters are treated, everything is fine. All you just need to do is bring in your clothes and your furniture. Did I also mention that these houses, each of them comes pre-installed with air conditions? So you are not spending money to buy that again, and you are not paying extra for it. What you're paying for the house is what we are charging for the house. So this is a 4-bedroom terrace duplex, and this location is Ogombo in Ajah area. You come in through Abraham Adesanya. You go past Urban Prime 1, Urban Prime 2, Urban Prime 3, Urban Prime 4, even up till Urban Prime 5 before you get to this building. So you know it is in the environment of greatness. If you've ever been to Ogombo Road now, you know that Ogombo Road is experiencing some very massive things, and a lot is going on there. And through the construction that is going on the Lekki Expressway, Ogombo Road has been where people like us who know road, we use. Ogombo has been where we used to access the Lekki Expressway going to Shangote Road. So there's a way we pass it through Ogombo that you come out at ShopRite Shangote Road, and you can link up Ekpe or wherever it is you are going to. So back to this house. This is a 4-bedroom Terrace duplex in Ogombo, Lagos State, Nigeria, Ajah side of Lagos State, Nigeria. Price is 75 million naira and it comes with a governor's consent. Like I said earlier, it comes with 2 standby generators that is ready to provide you with 18 hours power. So you are not bringing any noise generator. Forget it. You are not spending any money on that. It comes pre-installed with those ACs you can see there, but it does not come with this furniture. This is just our display. This is just our setup, just so you can see how beautiful the house looks when you bring your furnitures into them. But all those clothes stuffs you can see, it comes with them too. It comes with them too. So that's it. Let me know if you like this house and it's something that you love to proceed with. It's built with very solid architectural design. This is the lobby where you can also have some quiet time with family, put your TV on the wall, have a chair here, and you can have nice time with family when some other people are watching some other TV downstairs. So for 75 million naira in a rising environment like Ogombo, what do you think of this property? What do you think of this property? So here have had a lot of clients come who love this property, and as it stands now, 3 units is what is left of this property, just 3 units. And if you are looking for what to do with it and you buy this and you rent it, I can guarantee you are taking nothing less than 3.5 million to 4 million naira in rent every year. I should know because I rented a couple of houses at Urban Prime 3 right there in Ogombo Road, Adesanya, Lekki, Lagos, Ajah. So 75 million naira comes with governor's consent, 2 standby generators, ACs already installed, swimming pool, comes with a lot of other amenities, comes with CCTV. You can see that the environment is beautiful, very quiet environment. One thing I love about this place is the quiet environment, very quiet environment. During weekdays and weekends, it is the same. I think the people that are living in this environment, they are the kind of people that love peace, so they love their environment to be quiet like that, and they have done their best to maintain their peace in this environment. So shoot me a call, let me take you to go see this place, and let me make you a unit owner in this prestigious